Hey guys, how's it going? Okay, more accessory time for my Model 3. The nickname for my car is Pegasus, the all-white flying horse from Greek mythology, since my car is white and it's super cool and it feels like I'm flying when I'm in it. Anyways, yeah, as you know, the Model 3 has a 15-inch touchscreen display in there, and I ordered a tempered glass screen protector from Abstract Ocean. So yeah, I'll leave a link for it below and you guys can go ahead and order one if you like. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera on, unbox it. We'll see what it looks like, then we'll go ahead and go in the garage in Pegasus and install it. Yeah, really looking forward to this. There is a protective film on the car when you first buy it, so you'll just go ahead and peel that off and put this one on. Now the protective film that comes with it's not bad. But definitely I can feel that it's there. I like more of a glass type feeling and something a little more durable. But yeah, so we're gonna put this on. I'll stop talking and all right guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this box from Abstract Ocean and let's take a good look at the tempered glass screen protector here. Okay. Seat. Careful, you don't want to scratch it. And yeah, it seems to be in here. I'll tell you what, the packaging is phenomenal. You know, it's all about presentation, but let's hope the product is great as well. Okay, and here we go. All right, so now let's go down to Pegasus and install it. But looks good. So far, so good. All right. Okay, so like I said before, there is a protective film on the car already. Let's go ahead and get that off. A lot of people don't even know that. Okay, now let's get this tempered glass one ready. Okay, now we're going to go into the settings and turn on the screen cleaning mode. We'll go to display, screen clean mode. So we'll leave it there. That way we can go ahead and put on the tempered glass without touching any buttons on the screen. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to use some blue painter's tape up top. That way I could line it up and get everything straight with the tempered glass. So I see I need to move over to the left a little. Okay. And about right there. So once I see it's looking good, I'll go ahead and peel off the bottom side. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and push that down. And I don't know if you could see, it's already starting to work the bubbles out itself as it's adhering to the glass. Now I have a big bubble there, so I'm going to grab my squeegee tool and go ahead and start pressing the air out of there. Now I'll get my squeegee thing here. Now it didn't come with it, but I have one. Okay, and just work this back and just try to get the bubbles out, pushing them up into the sides so the air can get out. Now I'll be honest, you're probably better off using a credit card, because the little squeegee thing I have there isn't working that well. So it's on there, and I have one more bubble here, but the rest looks good. So, you know, don't be afraid, because remember, I didn't press down on any of this. So it's easy to still grab from the corner, and as you can see, the air coming through there. Let's go ahead and push it out. Okay. Pushing it out. All right, I think we are golden. And I can tell you, it's definitely easier when you go ahead and use the blue tape to line it up, for sure, because then all you're doing is just folding it down rather than having it in your hand and trying to juggle it from left and right to get it on there. So yeah, as you can see, it looks pretty good. Let me grab a cleaning cloth that I don't have with me. And as you can see, turned out perfect. No bubbles, no scratches, no nothing. Okay, I have one more little bubble up there. Let's go ahead and push that up. We got that one out. Okay, got a little one there. And they're all just coming right out. Okay, remove the blue tape. Boom. You're golden. Can't even tell it's there. Your screen's protected. You know, I would never take my car through a car wash, but I know some people do. And sometimes when they get inside and do your car, you know, they just take that harsh towel and start wiping everything. You're like, no, 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 no. You don't have to worry. Or if you got kids or someone's got gravy or jelly on their hands and they start touching your screen, now you won't freak out. It is protected. Okay, so now we're back. It is done. And as you can see, everything functions as normal. Perfect. It is good. All right, guys, so I just wanted to give you that quick video. It's fairly easy to do. On the scale of 1 to 10, I would say this is a 1 as far as difficulty, but it's worth it. You can get it at abstractocean.com, and I'll leave it in the link below. I think it's like $29.99 or something like that. I don't even remember. Maybe $34.99. Whatever it is, that's what I paid. And yeah, that's it. Quick video, and you're good to go. Can't even tell it's there. Awesome. Laters.